JRP. Okay, so I already played this once. So we got the YouTuber back. I want the YouTuber test back. Except for this one's going to run. This was one of my favorite ones because that Toes Muncher. Toes. Okay, so I was gonna do something. Now I'm back. So yeah, we got that Toes Muncher guy. Despite the noise. Yeah, that's the Mr. Toes Muncher guy. He's faster than you. Okay. And it's basically just a whole maze, so let's go back. It restarts your game. I don't want to get restarted by my game. Let's try the next one. Hide. Okay, I'm in hide. I haven't actually checked this one. So let's check hide. Is anyone here? Anyone here? No. I got the thingy magic. Where do we go? I'm going here. Now up here. Now over here. And over here. Now over here. Now over here. Go. Oh, Mr. Toes Muncher. My baby brother. He's on me. Oh, he's on me. Okay, whatever. I'll just play with it. Dude, he's on me. Get off me. Okay. You making fun of me? Okay, whatever. So we saw a clip of the monster. Stop making fun of me.
Thank you.
Meet up, let's do a second place. What is this? Players, one player. I think this is the first map to ever be created. Oh, there's the little guy. Yeah, I see big guy. What? What is that? What is that? What is that? I got a new favorite map now. What is that? Going back. Get off of me! He's on me again. Okay. So now let's try random. There was nothing in the map, so I just thought that it was new or in development or probably forgotten. Laggiest one. I'm scared because the Ooga Booga monster has some crashing powers. Hello? Anyone there? Hello? Where is he? Where are you? Where is he? Okay. I like to speak. Never mind. So that's my game. That's not my my phone. That's my game. So that was pretty much the end of the video because everything else was just closed off. And subscribe.